Yes. Okay, leave. So what was the homework was given? No. No homework, no homework. No. There's no homework. What time? So I don't need to ask her whether did the homework or not. Na? So sit down. Practice started na? Sunday test paper is there. Okay. Any doubts or difficulties there? Not that means not started. Utkarsh, he started practicing. Which chapter he practiced? Real number done. He thought everything is done. Done, no? Ah, come in, come in. Some van people are there. Come. Some people from van. No. Chalo, we'll tell through the next chapter. We done polynomials. We started with the linear equations, two variables. We started drawing the graph. How many graphs are drawn? Only one graph is drawn. Ah, graph paper and pencil, pen, everything we have. Only one graph paper altogether. More are there. Book itself is there. Very good. You have graph book, yeah? Graph book. Oh, all of you got the graph book. How about you? Pencil, pen, everything is there. You all have. Oh, finally, I think all are there. Oh, good. Who doesn't have? All are. Very good. Very good. Okay. Neil, graph paper is there with you?
Yes, sir.
And Anshul, graph paper is there?
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. Let's start doing the graph now. Continue. We have done only one graph, no? Okay. Pencil and all are there, no? The scale is there. Common one scale. Something should be there, no? Missing. That is it. Okay, in the graph, what is the second question? X is equal to 3. Do you know what is the meaning of x equal to 3? Parallel to y-axis. What is the meaning of x equal to 3? How do you know it's parallel to y-axis? Y equal to 0. So, only one value. Whenever if it is given x is equal to any number means whatever the values of y, value of x will be how much? 3. Sign that in. Okay, so that is a condition. So how to make the table means just make, no need to no calculations. You put x value will be 3. Put any number. Y value you can put any number. 0, -1, 2, anything you put. Understood or not? Then draw the graph. And you will see that line will be parallel to which axis? Y axis. So draw the graph. Draw the graph. Okay, so table is followed now. X is equal to any number is given means x value will remain same, y value will be keep on changing. Okay, any number x value will be same, y value you can take any number. That is your wish. And draw the plot the points and draw the graph. How many are missing? Aditya has not come. Shrikant. 2 people are not come. Purna. Purna is as usual. She comes 5-10 minutes. She will tell I was sleeping. Don't use this much. Small half graph only is required now. 1 x equal to 3 only now. This much is required. Small. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. X -1. X dash. 1, 2, 3. Y dash. -1. First one is 3, 0. Second one is what? 3 -1. You decide which point to be taken. Third one is what is taken? 3, 2. Graph drawn. is x is equal to 3. This is 3 comma 2. This is 3 comma 0. This is 3 comma minus 1. Completed. And the next one. Next one. In the one graph paper, you don't do 5, 6 graph. 2, 3 maximum. Okay. Why you late? Fine and go. Now, what is the next? Done. Scale also you can write. What is the scale? Whatever you use. Scale is 1 unit, 1 centimeter. Okay. What is the next one? Y is equal to 2. Same way, na? Make this table. What is the meaning of y equal to 2? Whatever the values of x, y value will remain same. And this line will be parallel to which axis? X axis. Y value. Two. Any number I can take. You decide. Why you look. Okay. If you want to write 3, minus 1, 0, anything you take. Okay. Why? One page, you could have drawn over here. No, take it one x-axis. Why to waste the time? No, you use one page. Obviously, she is doing. Why you half page you could have? Okay, take no problem. Where is x and y? Right, x dash y. Huh? Y above is y, below is y dash. Right side is x, left side is x dash. It's always like that. Okay. Done. Y equal to 2 done. Then next one. Y is equal to 2. The same way. So the points are 3, 2, I 2. 3, x equal to 3, y is equal to 2. The next one is minus 1, 2. Third one is what? 0, 2. Join it. This is y equal to 2. This is 3 comma 2, 0 comma 2, minus 1 comma 2. That's it. Next one, graph, start next one. What is the next one? Make the table, all of you make the table. 3y is equal to 4x. On the graph. There. These all done at home and you came. Why? Classwork you're doing at home and coming. Yeah, you should previous chapters and so on. No? What is this line? That right now the condition coordinates. That was the things you have to write now. Where are the coordinates? Just drawing this way, you have to write what coordinate, what table, or what is it and all. All the steps right. Table make now x by y. Calculator. Did you make the table? First you make the table now. That you can do now. Then only you will decide how to draw the first quadrant bigger, second quadrant bigger. What happened? Table. What is it? How much is this one? 12 upon? This is how much? So right now 12 upon 4 is how much? Acha, you brought me. These are written over here. Table one line, no, calculate and make the table first. Then you can identify which quadrant is little bigger. Sometimes equally you can do it, sometimes less. Fast. Right now, what is the problem over here? You can express whichever the one. If you want to do y is equal to, then put the value. If I put x equal to 0, what is the value of y? 4 into 0 by 3. How much? 0. Then add or subtract the denominator. Lot of this. The third day we are discussing the same thing. Add 3. So y is equal to 4 into 3 divided by 3. That is equal to 4. If you subtract 3, minus 3. Y is equal to 4 into minus 3. Which is equal to minus 4. So you got the values now. Table we can do it. These all should not wait for a long time. So 0, 0, 3, 4, minus 3, minus 4. Now you can see which all values needed. X values which is a minus 3 to 3 should be there. Y values minus 4 to 4. So make an equal graph part. All four quadrants equally. Substitute. Mark it. Get the value. Renuka done. Fast. Diya done. Do it fast. Purna has not come yet. She's still sleeping. Almost done. Wherever you want to draw, you draw. Okay? If it is convenient, convenient. Do it. Write the equation of got the points. Done. Put arrow on both sides of the line. What this girl is doing? Ishani, don't waste the time. Time over. Next question I have to do. Fast. This. Hello, Mr. Attarwala. Not a straight. Where is it? 6, 8. Where is 6, 8?
6 is here.
6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 8. Where is 6, 8? This is the one. Then
3 and 4.
3 and 4. This is the one. Third one. 0, 0. What the scale? Get a proper plastic scale. Na? Hey, why it is not straight? It is coming straight now. Actually, you are waiting me to do. Okay, I will draw for you. Okay, be happy now. It's straight now. Little more properly, you have to put it and do it. Okay. Done. No, now make one graph over here also, no? One graph over here. In a graph paper, maximum 2 graphs is enough. Okay. Parents have enough money to spend that. Okay. Now do it. Now it is not do it. And what is here? Is there any reading? Is there? Can anyone can read? Reading is there? Okay, use. Achha, another scale is there. K2, its opening ceremony is not. Acha. Oh, good. Chalo. Do it over there anyway. Mark the points and mark it. Done. Who will write this coordinate? Who will write this coordinate? Who will write this coordinate? Which is x-axis, y-axis, scale, all these things. Done. Yours is done. Previous one done. Hello. Which is x-axis? Which is y-axis? Which is origin? Which is the coordinate? What all things? This is which axis? Huh? You have to write everything now. Completed. Okay. Only Ishani has not done. Where? So Ishani, read the next question. Ishani. Okay. I to.
Another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1300 represent this situation.
What is the meaning of algebraically? In the equation form. And what do you mean by geometrically? Graphical form. So it is about what and what? It is about what and what? Bat and ball. Okay, first is bat and second is ball. And 3 bats and 6 balls. So you can take, let the cost of a bat is equal to, right? Let the cost of a bat is equal to X rupees. Cost of a bat is equal to X rupees. Next, cost of a ball is equal to Y rupees. All right. According to first condition. According to first condition. What will you get? 3x plus 6y is equal to how much? 3,900. That is the first condition you got. Next, by the second condition. By the second condition. How many bats? Check. 4 bats. 1 bat and how many balls? 3 balls. X plus 3y is equal to how much? 1,013. So this is your algebraic what is done. Okay, now you have to apply in geometrically. Make the table. Take the first one. What is the first condition? 3x plus 6y is equal to how much? 3,900. You can in fact simplify. Everything is divisible by 3 now. So divide by 3, by 3, by 3, by 3. So what will you get? X plus 2y is equal to 1,300. Or x is equal to 1,300 minus 2y. Put the value of y, you will get the value of x, no fraction. Huh? 2 equations?
So x plus 3y is 1,300, x plus 2y is 1,300.
So what? X is 1,300. How x is 1,300? What is the problem? We must have got that in a range can be different. Huh?
X plus 3y is 1,300, x plus 2y is 1,300.
Huh. So what is the problem? Both are same. How both are same? Is it both are same? What is the contradiction?
3y is 1,300, x plus 3y is 1,300. And we're saying x plus 2y is also 1,300.
So he could get now that condition. So what is so? You have to get 2 lines. Na? This one with this one line, this one another line. Okay, na? You have to make only basically that question. There is a printing problem, but 2 equations, 2 lines you will get. What happened? Done. What is the doubt? Put the values na. This value is correct. Why value is correct? Addition subtraction only you have to do now. You have to put some addition subtraction. Diya, got the values? No. Now look here, all of you listen. Don't look here one before going to this one. Here, till 1300 is there now. You cannot make on the graph 1, 2, 3 up to 1300. Yes or no? Scale will change in 1, 2, 3. You can make a scale of. So you take multiples of, let's say 100 you take. Then it's easy now. 100, 200, 300, 400 you can make now. 1, 2, 3 if you are taking no. So you can take, let's say y equal to 0. X is equal to 1300 minus 0. That is 1300. Then y is equal to how much is coming? Let's say 100. X is equal to 1300 minus 200. That is equal to how much? 1100. Some other, if it is I want to study, let's say y is equal to 500. No problem. X is equal to 1300 minus 1000. That is equal to 300. Hope you got it. Then x, y. 1, 2, 3, solution is correct, but drawing the graph is not problem. Okay. So x is what? 1300. Y is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 1100. Y is equal to 100. 300 and y is equal to 500. This one, huh? This is from condition 1. This is from 1 now. We have to make the graph of equation 1 table. So this is 3x. So what did you divided by 3 throughout? Okay, so it is begun dividing by 3. This is the reason is dividing by 3. Understood or not? Okay. Yes. Did you get the second table? Don't take, you have to make a big number. Okay. Make a big second table also, got it? Got it on both. 2 tables are there. Second condition. What is second condition? X plus 3y is equal to 1300. Therefore, x equal to 1300 minus 3y. So, put the value and directly make x, y. You can put y is equal to, if you want to put y equal to 0, x is equal to 1300. Let's say y is equal to 100. Then x is equal to 1000. Y is equal to, let's say 300. Any value put 13,000, that is equal to 400. Now, if you look at the values, you will see all the values are which type of values? Positive values only, no? Make a big first quadrant. Okay, make the graph of this form. Other quadrants is not much required. We need a big first quadrant. But you make little like and make it as this is 100. 100, if there is no space, you can write this way 100. 200. And this also minus 100. This is minus 100, 0, 100, and so on. 200, 300, 400, 500. Make the graph. Why he stop? What are you doing? The extension is going in. What is it? The graph could have been little more, na? This is what? 1200, na? X, na? You need x is still where? X is still where? Minus. Look, this one, na? 1300, na? What is this first value? Where is the third one? Oh, these only 3 values only. Why you took the minus all positive take now? You could have made the line here. No, it's you look at this is still 800. Little more neatly and properly right here. Hello, you will be able to do everything over here. Make a don't do this all big graph, confusing. Till where I need the graph to make the y-axis also. Okay, okay, chalo, no problem. Done. One scale, two. Are you use that scale now? Who is this scale? You give it to him. My dear hero, check the value of x till 1300. Will it? Yeah. This place is to dance. I said no, make a bigger first quadrant. Otherwise, it will not work. Think and do it. This is x-axis or what? Make the x-axis. We need a bigger x-axis. First is that is important. We need x-axis till 1300. Hello, what is you doing? This is 10,000. From where you to start this one? You took 1,000, 2,000. 4 digit. Where is your 4 digit value? 1394. Where will you apply 1394? Did you hear what I said? Don't take 1, 2, 3. Multiples of 100 take. Where will you mark 1394? Can you show me? Can you show 1394 over here? And why did you take 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, 20? And this is the way you have to start from here now, opposite here to right now. Where did you draw the graph? Here, 1, 2. Eh? Which question is this one? Wow. Renuka, this is your graph only. I wanted to see everyone's graph. Okay. Look, this is your graph you're drawing. Can you see where it is? All the graphs I have drawn, and where is the previous graph? This is 0. Then from here 0 will start. In a graph paper, how many zeros will be there? 1. After 0, they jump over here. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 0, minus 1. Zeros, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Not up, down, it is coming. Then if it is 6, means this will be 7 now. Or it's 0. And here, what is it yours? And I have drawn the graph and shown this also. This also is wrong. How it is coming? 0. I said make into the thick line. Where is the thick line? Yeah, I said is weak or what? Can you understand what I am speaking? You know English very well now? Sure. And how this is 1/2 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter. Is all? Yes. I am coming. First you do it. All the graphs are wrong. And what is this 1,000, 2,000? And if here it is starting? Are you following what I am telling or no? Then what are you doing this one? I said no, don't take 1, 2, 3 and all. 1,300. And why it is going 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 till 8,000? Is there any point? Where is your table? Where is your table? This is the table. Why? 3,000, 1,300 minus 2y is the value. Arey, my dear, this is x value, this is y value, one number. Where is the number? Have you seen I have made all these things? Can you see? It's all wrong. And what is this 3? Then put the value, table I have done. Achoo, everything is done. This is for what I have done. If you have any problem, you should ask now what is the problem. And the first time you are doing a graph. This is in which class you studied? 9th standard. This is the way graph is drawn. But how can it be possible, my dear girl? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 9 means what is this number? After 9, what is coming? 0 will come. It is opposite. Counting number line, do you know how to draw? Do you know how to draw number line? 0, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2. So this is again number line. 0, 1, 2, 3. After 0, what is the next number comes? 1, 2, 3. So how it is ulta? Everywhere this is the way done. Luckily I have seen. I thought yeah. You have to redo everything. Okay, not see these all are wrong. Understood? Followed or not? See 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 0. Okay, make the table. See, you have followed how to make the table. So redo. Now show the previous graphs. I wanted to see everyone's graph. Scale and all, who will write? which is like, what? All of you listen here, stop writing. All of you stop writing. I am coming to see everyone's graph. I need to see in your graph x-axis, y-axis, origin, equation what is written, coordinates is written. This is the 10th time and today I am telling. That time you are sleeping out and equation should be written. I am going to check everyone's graph. Otherwise I'll cross with the red pen. You have to redo entire thing. First you check. Show the graph. Good. You cannot keep the either graph inside. What is your problem? 1000. Where is your one? Where did you plot? Show me where your plot. Where is your scale? That is the problem now. One scale. Even this is where is 1300? This is 1300. So this is the put the point. Then where is the second point? Where is the second point? So mark it. Where is the third point? Keep the scale and show me whether it is coming or not. These all equation, right? Where is the equation? What is it? 3y equal to 4x. Write little above or below so that it will be not congested over there. Renuka, are you followed? Don't make mistake. This is which one? No, she started only. I can do all the XY. Show your graph. Why this is dotted line? There is no dotted line. Everything is same line only. Okay. So who is that throwing the graph? Neatly little more. Put arrow on both the lines. End points. Where is the third one? Doing only. Where is yours? Previous graph. Where is your graph? Show to me. Show. It look like the graph is wrong. I have to draw it. When the line is there, what you have to do is give the pencil. You have to put arrow on both sides. And where is the equation? Which equation is this one? That also doesn't know. This is x is equal to 3. What is this equation? So right there, no, somewhere. Where is your graph? Third one. How did you get this one? Which is x-axis? How did you get this point? 1300, 0 is where? So show me that point. Here. First, this is x-axis, or what? Then where is 1300, 0? My dear, x value is 1300 now. This is what? 1300. Where? First value is x or y? First value is x or y? X. So where is x? This is x. This is the point one. It is not there. So you will find out. So here when you extend it, it will come over here. This is 1300. Understood or not? So graph is wrong. This above value is x value, below value is y value. Where is the table? Why are you doing half a page? You could have done over here now. Okay. Where is your graph? What is these two parallel lines? Which graph is this one? Second one. Which second one? Second question, how it is parallel lines are coming? They both are passing through 1300 now. So the graph is wrong now. And why two lines are coming? This is what? That is wrong now. Only one line only now. This is 0, 1, again 1. This is 2. No need of painting and all. Just put the arrow only to make it properly. I'm seeing scale and all. Write it neatly and properly. Where is your graph? Now count this place was to dance over. That is why read and see. Check what is it. 0 mark, x-axis, y-axis, all these mark. You show me now. Again, she is making my. Did you hear? Do you need these values? Do you need these values? Which are the x values? Tell me. What are the x values?
1,300.
Any negative values are required? I've shown now the graph is the first quadrant required. Then why you're drawing it again? Now you will be drawing the graph over here. Here it is for what? For what you have done? Where is the second equation? Second condition? Only one table. There are two tables are there now. Two equations are there now. See, this is for which equation? And that is for, and to check the values. Is there any negative values are there? Arey, my dear child, think and do it. If this way doing, you will not get mark. Finally, if you get a 0, then what is the point? You see these all values. See, these are x values. This only positive value, only positive value. Listen, if not followed, at least raise the hand and tell, sir, I am not followed. I cannot look at you people and think, what is it? See, I have said no, make the first quadrant only bigger. Other ones is not required. Did you hear all these? Either you listen to me or if you know, you people do it. Again, you have to redo, na? Where the graph 1,300 will come. This is coming and then again you are taking the graph. Look the values. Where will you mark this one? Can you mark? So graph make it this way. So you can draw here itself. One line over here, second or third, and draw it. Understood? If not followed, you ask me. This is the problem. Then I will tell you. Where is your graph? That is why now this graph is not meeting the x-axis. No. Sorry, y-axis. Your graph, previous graph. Did I see your graph? Where is the second line? Only one line. Achha, you're drawing. Why you're writing with the pen? Graph paper, nothing to write with the pen. With the pencil only. Where is the previous? 1, 2, 3. Where is your graph? What is this one small graph in 1, 2, 3? You will make it bigger one. Don't do the little more bigger. At least 4, 5 you make. Not this much only. Okay. This, why can't you make it extended? And if it is 2 only, you make 1, 2, 3 more extra. Not to stop at 2. Okay. And which is your x-axis? Which is your y-axis? I have to come and ask every time. And what is this? This is what? 0. Arey, my dear, draw properly. Otherwise, if you don't need, don't draw it. You people one by one, I had to come and shout at you people. This is the third time I said write the x-axis, y-axis. Still you are doing this way. Or the graph is not required. I look here, all of you. I need in the graph paper maximum 2 graph. Beyond that, it's not required. If you don't have graph paper, if you have one, I will give the graph paper. Not in the 10 graph papers and all. Okay, only this one. You have to redo this one. Did you make the table? Table is made. So you do it. I'll make you to do. So let's go to the next question. All of you listen. Please don't do your own ways and all. Finally, I have to make you cross everything. Your own way do it, but the answer should be correct. That's it. Read the next question. 2y minus x is equal to 1. And then it's a solution. So first what you have to do it? Make the solution table. Yes or no? Only one line only is coming. Make the solution. Do you know how to make the table? How will you make? Either you can take x or y. It's easier if you shift this x to that side. 2y minus 1 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 2y minus 1. Now, what is to be substituted? Whose value is to be substituted? Y value substitute, you will get the value of x. Any value substitute, don't put bigger values. All of you make the table. I wanted to see everyone's table. Those who are done with the fraction also will do it. You are done? Yeah. Got the equation. Scale, everything is written. Can I check? Everything. X-axis, Y-axis, origin, scale, equation, coordinates, everything is written. Those who are completed, stand up so that I can see. Put arrow on. This arrow is visible or what? Where is the arrow? Is little bigger you can make, na? Bigger arrow you can make it, na? Make it little more this writing and all, so that somebody can read. What is written, you can read. Done. Table, graph. Yours is done. Show me your graph. This is what? Show me. Your graph is correct. How did you get this 1 minus 1? Just substitute and see whether it's satisfying or not. Correct. What happened? They try to do with the proper steps and all, then there will not be mistake. All of you got the table? When y is equal to, those who did not get the table, y is equal to, let's say 0. X is equal to 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Y equal to, let's say 1. X is equal to 2 times 1 minus 1, that is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. Y is equal to, let's say, any other value, 2. X is equal to how much? 2 2s are 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. Values x, y. Correspondingly, x is minus 1, y equal to 0. X is 1, y equal to 1. 3, 2. Check the values. All will satisfy the equation. If some other values you got, there is no problem. You got the set of values? X is minus 3 or what? Where did you check? How did you get x equal to minus 3? You put y equal to 2, na? What is 2 2s are? 4 minus 1. Then y minus 3 is coming. Plus 3 only, na? Check and do it properly. Completed. Plot the points and make the graph. Got the answer? Minus 1 minus 2. Those who are completed, please stand up. One, two, three, four, 5. Done the graph. Drawn the straight line. Sit down. Yours, sit down. Yours. Where is the graph? Look here, why you're making only one quadrant? But still make, why we did the previous one? Because it was huge values. It's not required, no, all small values only, no. So you can make little more bigger. There is no problem, but solve it. Yours, sit down, sit down. Equation written. Yours. Origin is still not marked. Origin, you don't know what is origin. If mark 0, so 0, x, y, x dash should be. Okay, now followed. Be careful. You have followed what is the mistake in the previous graph. Don't make it because you will not get anything by how it is be. You think that if it is 0, this should be what? 1. If it is 8 means it should be 9 now. That is why always we ask your doubt. Yes, sir, I have a doubt. Then ask, we will tell now. You got the doubt mistake now. Found out. See here, that is wrong. So nobody corrected you. That is the problem, isn't it? Where is the graph? That is gone. Anyway, whichever. See, it is after. See, if it should be after 6, it should be 7. Mistake you found now? Good. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Now, after that, you are getting the values as -1, 0. Sit down, all of you. 1, 1 and 3, 2. Okay, this is 3, 2. Then the graph is drawn. I am drawing the rough figure. You have to make it in a proper. This is the way graph is coming as. Okay, check where it is meeting the axis and all. Now, what is the next condition it is asked? Second part is there now. What is second graph? Second part of the graph. X is equal to 3, y equal to 2. So mark on the graph. Is it the x equal to 3, y equal to 2 is a point on the line? No. So then what is the answer you have to write? Write down. Marking is already done. Okay, if it is not there in the graph, you have to mark. After that, below the table, right here, x is equal to 3, comma y equal to 2 is a point on the line. Point on the line. On the line. Therefore, what is it? It is a solution. It is a solution. If it is not a point, it is not a solution. Understood or not? If x is equal to 5, y is equal to 6, how to check whether it's a solution or not? You replace x equal to 5, let's say this is 5 and y is equal to 6 somewhere. Is it a point on the line? No, therefore it's not a solution. That's all. From the graph to check. Without graph means substitute and also you can see. Done. Method is clear, all of you? Okay, next one. Graph. Whichever the doubts are there, immediately ask so that we will. Yes. Right. X is equal to 3, y equal to 2 is a point on the line. Therefore, it is a solution. Okay, now, Priyanshi, read the next question. Okay. So, this is about regarding the age. Okay. Age of whom? Aftab and his daughter. Okay. What is the meaning of 7 years ago? 7 years later? Before. 7 years before. And the next is about what in 3 years hence. 3 years from now means after 3 years. So first thing is you will take x and y. You can take, let the present age of Aftab is equal to x. Present age of Aftab is equal to x years. And present age of daughter is equal to y years. Written. Next is always remember what is the condition. It is about which year? 7 years ago. So you will write 7 years ago. These are compulsory steps. Aftab's age. What will be Aftab's age? 7 years ago, what will be Aftab's age? X minus 7. You have to subtract 7 from them. And daughter's age. Yes. Daughter's age is equal to Y minus 7. This much is clear. Now we check the condition. What is the condition is there? What is it? 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as my daughter. Means age of Aftab, that is X minus 7, is how many times? 7 times Y minus 7. Look at those are not followed. Listen, it's very important type word problems are coming. 7 years ago, Aftab's age was 7 times daughter's age. The 7 multiplication and all, be careful. If you interchange means opposite answers you'll get. Daughter's age will be more than Aftab's age. That way it will come. So you have to be careful. So this is the one. This page is clear. Now what you do? Open the bracket. X minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49. Therefore, x is equal to this minus 1, minus 7 will go to that side. So how much you'll get? 7y minus 49 plus 7. Or x is equal to 7y minus 42. That much is enough. This is the first condition. X is equal to 7y minus 42. Hope all of you followed. Followed now? Okay, situations are now. Second, what is the next condition? 3 years, all right. 3 years from now. 3 years from now. Aftab. What will be the Aftab's age? X plus 3. Daughter's age. Daughter's age is equal to Y plus 3. Now check what is the condition. 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times my daughter's age. What's the meaning? Means condition tell. No, tell. Equation. X plus 3 is equal to 3 times Y plus 3. I hope all of you followed. Aftab's age is equal to 3 times daughter's age. Open the bracket. X plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. Or x is equal to 3y plus 6. Second condition. So you got both the equations. Now we will make the table. Condition 1. X is equal to 7y minus 42. Nothing to simplify. Directly substitute for y. You will get the value. Now check what values. If I put y equal to 0, what is the value of x? That is long, far off, no? So try start from like 5 or 6. 5, 6, 7 or something you take. Then it will be. You take y is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 7 5s are 35 minus 42 minus 7. Y is equal to 6. X is equal to how much you will get? 7 6 are 42 minus 42. 0. Y is equal to 7. X equal to 7 7s are 49 minus 42. That is equal to 7. Try to think and do it. I can take 0 and 42, but drawing graph it's difficult. So that is why. So we got first one values. So x, y. X value is minus 7, y value is 5. Be careful while writing 0, 6. Still there are people have confusion how to do it. Whenever the confusion is there, you tell me, I will explain, not to worry. Okay. So nearby somewhere. Now, next is, what is our second condition? X is equal to 3y plus 6. That also, what you can take? Y equal to 0, you can take now. Y equal to 0. So x is equal to how much you got? 0 plus 6 is 6. Those who need to write, you can write and do it. 3 into 0 plus 6, which is equal to 6. Y equal to, I take 1. X is equal to 3 plus 6, 9. Don't go beyond because it is 12 and all may be difficult to write. Y equal to minus 1. X equal to 3 into minus 3 plus 6. That is equal to 3. Convenient one you take. And it is, there is no hard and fast rule. What I have taken, you have to take. Nothing like that. Then x, y. X value is what? 6. Y value is 0. X value is 9. Y value is 1. 3 minus 1. Check what are the values of x, what are the values of y. You can see x values are from -7 to +7, and here it is still 9. So accordingly you check, make the graph, bigger graph make. You take the full graph paper. It may not fit in half graph and all. You just take, don't take 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, this is half. Otherwise it will not fit, no? Okay. This is not 1 centimeter, this is 1 inch or something. It's all right. Hello? Fast, fast. Okay, following now. Tired? What is the problem? Tired or cold? Then tell na, I'll switch off the fan now. Huh? You can sit to the other side. You can sit to the other side. No, don't sit direct to AC. Whenever problem is there, no, don't sit direct to AC. The other side is it. There is no side of girl side, boy side, and all. Okay, whichever convenient side you sit. Okay. Oh, you do it fast. You're done. What happened? Since long time you have seen you are making the table. What is the problem? What is the problem? Not getting. Why? Got it. Ajay, you make it bigger. Counting, she forgot our. Still problem. Still problem. See, identify what is the mistake. Still mistake. This is 0 now. Where is 1? And above. This. Then this is for jumping out. 0, 2. This is what then? This is 1 now. Then only 2 will come now. I said it become weak. This is third time. What is he is making all folding? You don't have a graph. What is the problem? Diya, what happened? What you are searching for? Point is not there. You I didn't look at the table once. How many values of x needed? I need -7. That is the smallest. I need 9. That is the largest. So my graph paper should have that one. Y value. I need 7 and -1. Like that you have to see now. This is okay. Namita, okay, correct. Scale is not there. Pencil is not there. Okay, okay, okay.
Sorry. Sir, my apologies.
My pouch is forgot. Sanmitra, doing now? Okay, now? No need of these dots, okay? Because it's a lot of places you have to do, no? That. Oh. See the scale. What is the point? What point do you want? 7, 7. Anna? Keep it over here. Just keep it over here.
No, sir, I want to.
Achha, line is not passing. Where is 0, 6? 0, 6 is here now. So it's passing now. Why it is not passing? Is it passing? I can see it's passing. You wrote 0, 6 here. That is not, this is 0, 6 now. Is it passing? Little smaller pencil evening. Where is the other pencil? Forgot to bring. Is it passing? So you see, make it. Should I draw? Or you can draw? Wait. First one. Okay. Then second one, it will pass now. This you wrote wrong. Here it's come. Who has drawn the graph? Hello? My friend, yes. X value is still -7 is there, na? Where is your -7?
No, I took in two terms.
It's 2 terms. Okay. Then here 1 term.
So it gives us scalar.
My dear, you cannot change the scale on x-axis and y-axis.
So it should be
It should be. If it is 2, 4, here also 2, 4. Not that your way. Okay, you take 5, 10, 15. Here 1, 2, 3. Not that way. All should be equal. Okay. Done. Ah. Acha, this is Aftab. This is daughter. Getting? I did not ask these people to graph. I forgot. Tanmitra got? Yes. One point is missing. Yes or no? Tell now what is the problem. Thinking. What is this point? This is also one. Your problem again, problem no. You this one counting doesn't know. This is 0. Where is -1? Here. This is what? -2. So you wrote what? Understood or no? That is why you have to be careful. Always check that one. Most of the people make that mistake about that crossing point. This is 0 means check 1. This is 1. This is -1. This is -1. Don't leave any point from there. Okay, listen. Yeah, all of you listen here. For the Sunday test paper, please revise and appear for test paper. Timing and all of you know it. Okay. Second, after Sundays, Monday when you're coming, this homework exercise do and come. There are 5 questions are there. Okay. So complete. Still, all of you need to carry the graph. We have graph is there. Graph paper, get it. And scale, pencil, eraser. Not you only, all of you. Okay. So that we will do it in the next class. Chalo, bye. Okay, bye bye.